Alright guys, welcome back into my ninth story of today on Cinema channel on 18 January 2025. I make this story with my own just for you guys. If you want to watch, you can watch. But please like this video, please. And please pray for me. My exams are coming after maybe 14 to 18 days. And I'm just making no simple stories just for you. If you want to watch, you can watch. But remember that just imagine the story. Enjoy this. Okay, let's start it. If you have any question queries, you can write in the comments, but maybe long videos comments will be off because I am experimenting something now. So you can comment your questions, queries, thoughts in my first shot on my this cinema channel. Okay, I will answer you, I promise. Alright guys, you will not believe what just happened. Mr. Beast, the king of epic challenges, just announced the world's largest water fight. Water fight, how? And it's gonna down, son. Okay, again listen. Mr. Beast just announced the world's largest water fight, and it's going down now because I make the story just for you with this. Okay, picture this: a massive arena filled with thousands of people, all armed with water guns, water guns, buckets, and horses. What is called horses? Tell me in the comments. And get this: he is putting up a whopping $1 billion. Okay, he is putting Mr. Beast putting a whopping $1 billion in cash for the last person standing. That is right, folks, $1 billion. Now, I know what you are thinking. How can Mr. Beast be, and anyone, how can I be part of this insane event? Well, Mr. Beast is inviting fans from all over the world to join in on the fun. If this well real, so you will be notified from Mr. Beast official channel. So okay, go to Mr. Beast official channel, searching by searching on YouTube. So Mr. Mustard, subscribe Mr. Beast official channel. Okay, as you know, this is just an imagination story now here, like a video, just for your entertainment. All over the world to join in on the fun. Just imagine running around in a sea of water, louder echoing everywhere, and everyone soaking wet, but having the time of their lives. It's gonna be an absolute blast. But wait, there is more. Not only will the last person standing take home at jaw-dropping cash prize, but there are also tons of other giveaways throughout the event. Think free water guns and cool merch and surprise challenges that could earn you even more money. Wow. Cool merch and surprise challenges that could earn you even more money. And let's not forget about the epic content that he will come from this battle. Mr. Beast is known for his wild editing and fun storytelling. Okay, just imagine, and I can already picture those slow mo shots of water splashing everywhere and people diving for cover. It's going to be a viral sensation. So mark your calendars for my more stories, guys. Please subscribe if you want more. Get ready to join the biggest water fight ever. Okay, whether you are a competitor or just there to cheer on your friends, this was going to be an unforgettable experience for you. How you enjoy this must share your thoughts in the comments. Don't miss out on your chance to be part of history. And who knows, you might just walk away with $1 billion. Let's go, guys, in the comments. Let's talk about this story more and keep the story going.